What happened in the end? Can you tell me also what happened in the end? You would listen? Okay, wait, I'll ask them first. You know what happened in the end? What happened? Do you know, Naya, what happened in the end? Hasib, you know what happened in the end? No, why? You know? You know what happened in the end?
Yes, Teddy go and friend home is telling my birthday, my home is coming and present, and then friend Teddy is friend is coming and home and no present is sad.
End. That was the beginning, no? The beginning is sad. Now what happened in the end?
And cake is coming and
He is cutting it?
cutting and
Okay.
eat and go home.
Okay. Does anyone in this group know what happened in the end? What happened in the end? What happened? Boy and girl dancing?
No. Yes.
Boy and girl hitting?
No.
Then what did the boy and girl do? They were crying in the end. Why?
In the end, they were crying.
No.
Then what were they doing?
Happy.
Why they are happy?
But
Whose birthday was it?
glad.
What were they?
Glad.
They were glad. Why were they glad?
His birthday.
Whose birthday? Tatty Ted. What happened in the end of the story? What happened in the end of the story?
Boy telling my birthday na and birthday party. No, first time pay and cake go and come and happy birthday friend God.
Okay, fine. In this group, who's telling me what happened in the end? What happened in the end of the story? Cake. What happened to the cake?
Cake very happy.
Cake was happy?
No.
Then who was happy?
Daddy was happy.
Why?
Why this happy birthday? No friends come.
So he's happy.
No. Happy. Happy. Where no friends come. Sad.
That happened in the beginning, no? First, no? Last, what happened? End.
And all the friends come very happy.
Very good. That is the end, okay? You know what happened in the end, Huda? Why?
What do you think is happening? There's a birthday. And it's very happy. Now, can you just draw this for me? Can you just draw labeling? Nothing. Draw the draw. See what is happening. Draw the same thing on your own. Alfia. Okay, can you do this? You all make one, and you all is one team make one. Draw. It's okay if you don't write the line. I just want you to draw. Okay, Amit? Can you see? Because then you're going to come here and tell us what you do. No, not in a circle. Not in a circle. Just draw. You want to be a part of it, Amit?
Do you know what happened in the end? What happened in the end of the story? Last. You know? Why? You are not listening, no? You were listening? I was looking at you. You were not listening. You were listening? What happened in the end? Last. Birthday was full day or only in the end? Wait, I'll ask you.
Discuss it amongst you. Not
You were listening? I'll ask you last. What happened in the end?
Singing.
Birthday happened in the end? What happened? in the birthday in the end? Tell me. What about the birthday happened? No, in the end of the story, what happened in the end? Gift. He got a gift? Got a gift. Who got? In the book, but who got? You got? I got? Dog got?